Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this episode, we will explore BTC update as well as we will check out top performing altcoins on CoinW exchange. With that, we will also check available event with CoinW exchange. So stay connected with us. If you are new into cryptocurrency journey, you can stay connected with our YouTube channels, Amit and Crypto, Smart Trades, Crypto Point Marathi and Wealthy Fails by Amit. In amitandcrypto, you can see all updates in English and latest cryptocurrencies updates have been shared. 5 days ago, I have shared about ETH analysis, and 9 days ago, also I have updated complete risk management ultimate trading risk shield with CoinW. If you have missed these videos, you can check out. On Smart Trades, I have updated 1 day ago about XAUT, also covered BTC analysis and altcoins analysis. If you are missing those updates, then you are missing something, right? If you are into cryptocurrency journey and want to stay connected with the market, if you want to stay tuned with the market, then you guys can subscribe our YouTube channels. That's it. First of all, we will check BTC update and afterwards we will move forward for the next step. Okay, as expected, BTC is following this uptrend channel. This uptrend channel is updated in this episode. You can check. 1 day ago I have shared about BTC and updated the key levels on Smart Trades YouTube channel. Okay, if you are already watched, you know very well how this trend is performing here and how uptrend follows. I have shared complete key points in that video. Now next possible levels as per price actions, we have like this. Approximately 73k point can be considered as upcoming resistance point, and this level looks good here. Proper support test is happened here. You can see, okay, bulls became strong after hitting this main support level. This is good sign actually. When price reaches at extreme level of support, then giving us a bounce, that means that can be strong and can continue uptrend towards the resistance point. As you can see, price is exactly hit that point and preparing for the move upside. Not only upside, it is taking proper move. First came down, took some time here, and afterwards price gone to the upper direction, again took consolidation and created one small uptrend, and afterwards price might click our target point, which is 73k, and also it is a resistance point. Okay, subject to hold this uptrend. If any news arrives in between this range, if positive, it might click earlier the resistance point. If negative, price might take another test of support and take upper direction. So this is cryptocurrency. That's why always be ready with your risk management plan and stop loss. This is only the plus point where you will not get wiped out in one trade, right? I have explained in very easiest way, right? You don't need to understand so many technical analysis to predict the price. Also you can learn from the price actions analysis only, right? So this was about BTC. Now we will take a look to the top performing altcoins on CoinW exchange. Also we will read about it, what are the next possible scenarios can be there via price actions. First of all, I have to click on futures and afterwards change. Okay, Epic USDT. This is a top performing coin right now. Let me mark as favorite to find out key points easily. Now I can click favorites. Let me check first of all Epic USDT. Let me remove indicators which I don't need. Okay, now chart is clear and we can move forward with the price actions. First of all, I have to check the scenario in daily chart. Alright, when you see daily chart, you will understand more key points here without choosing lower time frame. We have two things to keep in mind. First is extreme level of support point. This is very important point in cryptocurrency journey when you analyze crypto charts. First, very critical point, very strong support, which is 0.1923, and afterwards we have extreme point here in the regular market. Okay, this is not perfect, but still we can consider as flip-flop. When price reached at this point, price is shown reversal activity here as per historical point. Okay, this is the flip-flop point, and we can also consider this is the resistance point from the previous extreme level, which is 0.1923. okay, now one thing is confirmed here, price is on historical point and price is now going forward upper direction using extreme level of support on daily chart. It means base is clear now. Now we can switch for the 4-hour time frame. Here also so many positive things, like price previously tested here support point. Okay, again it has taken one more move, and afterwards price is preparing for the next move. So overall price is exactly consolidated on the extreme level of support point. Now if you draw one trend line here like this, price is exactly on breakout point. Stop loss is must below this point, approx 30% is stop loss. This is safe level because below this point we don't have any levels, and previously it hasn't tested that level. That's why if this stop loss is hitting, then price might go down. If this is not happening, then price can continue here. I can place take profit and target points like here. I can divide my targets like this: 18%, 27%, and 50%. Let me open this trade here. Let me transfer my funds from funding account to futures account so I can trade here. Okay, quantity is selected. Let me confirm it. Funds are successfully moved from funding account to futures account. Now I can choose quantity here. I want to use cost of 10 USDT. Okay, I'm not taking trade in OPG USDT because this trading pair is going to delist. But at least we have understood key points how to analyze the market, right? We will check out the next cryptocurrency which is top performing on this platform, base USDT. Okay, let's check this one. Base USDT is performing very well here. Price is at resistance point. Let's see will it hold or break next resistance point, because historically 2-3 times rejected here. First, second, and third time is also preparing for the rejection. But let's see what happens here. Daily is risky to take trade because price is at resistance point. If this breaks out, then resistance can flip to the support point. But let's see what happening in 4-hour chart. Okay, taking trades on this point is very much risky because price is hitted the resistance point and preparing for the next move. I'm not taking any trades, but we can understand key points of analysis. Whenever you are taking trades analyzing chart, make sure to understand resistance and support point. These two things are very much important because these two things gives us a signal for buy and sell. This level is very much risky. Until and unless breakout of this point, we cannot expect any bullish moves. That's it. So we are not taking any trades in this base cryptocurrency. If this is breaking out, we can have one trade. If not, we can wait for this level from this to this. One short trade is possible. Again, if it is breaking down, we can prepare for the next move. So trades for shorts can be good here after clearing the next move. If it is hitting the resistance point and getting rejected, we can prepare here short position. But right now I don't see any opportunities. We cannot take any trades with the intermediate level. One more crypto is getting highlighted, OPG USDT. Let's check what happening here. Okay, daily chart is successfully flipping here. Volume is not that good in this coin. This wicks of candle indicates coins volume. Even if you are trading like these coins, make sure to have tight stop losses. Okay, immediate moves are possible in these types of cryptocurrencies. Let's analyze this chart with key points and price actions. Okay, this is the trend line where price is flowing. First took support and resistance, again flipped down, and exactly sell pressure is generated here. Price gone down back, and next scenario might be possible here. Let's have look with 4-hour chart is giving us some positive signals. Let me tell you how. As we spotted level in daily chart, this is very much helpful because price is following that level and preparing for the breakout here. I can prepare one trade here with small quantity because coin has low volume. I take trades only when opportunity locks at least with 1:2 risk reward ratio. 12% is the risk over here, and next 25% is the take profit. I can take risk here. 6x leverage is okay for me in this scenario. Once again guys, this is not any type of financial advice. I'm just taking trades with my personal analysis. If you want to learn from this episode, definitely you can learn from it. Okay, I want to add 9 USDT here. I will exclude stop loss point because I'm using 6x leverage, and 12% risk means price might click the liquidation price. That's why I'm not adding stop loss here, but choosing less quantities, that is equal risk. Now I can add here TP point 0.1600. Around 13 USDT profit is possible if my take profit is hitting. Take profit is successfully added here. Okay, order is successfully opened here. You can see here open orders. Let me remove duplicate orders. Okay, 0.1600 it my take profit level. Let's see what happens. I will update this trade in next video, so you can stay connected if you want to know about this trade. Okay, now we will check about event which is live on CoinW. The sports and crypto worlds are crossing over big time this week. UFC star Conor McGregor is making his official return to the octagon this Sunday at UFC 329. As CoinW's global brand ambassador, his comeback fight has triggered unique promotional event. Today we are breaking down how this promotional staking event works. CoinW has recently launched a product called Return of the King, an event. This is a fixed 45-day staking product available for USDT, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The subscription window is open right now and run until Sunday morning, July 12th. Here is how the number works safely. The base yield, every participant might get a baseline of 6% annualized yield regardless of how the fight goes. The promo bonus, CoinW has set aside an extra marketing reward pool based on the fight outcome. You can check this complete article link is mentioned in the video's description. Event schedule, event risk, complete information has been given here. Product name, term, asset, piece, APR, max APR, individual limit and total supply. If Conor wins, an additional reward pool is distributed proportionally to everyone in the event as per the event details. A decision win adds 50,000 USDT to the pool. A submission win adds 1,000 USDT pool. A TKO adds 150,000 USDT. And a clean knockout adds a 200,000 USDT. Promotional pool, bonus pool. This means the total promotional pool dynamically depending on the fight results. How to access it? Accessing steps are mentioned here. If you are using CoinW, simply go to the home page and check for the earn section and afterwards look under recommendation. Find the event product. If you are on your computer, go to the navigation, click on have we go and afterwards simple earn and select event product. Please remember these promotional pools are first come first served until the total allocation is full. Disclaimer: cryptocurrency trading, staking and fixed term products involves risk. This video is for educational and promotional reporting purposes only and does not constitute financial investment or trading advice. Past performance or promotional yield scales are not indicative of future results. I hope today's video is helpful for you. We have covered 3 altcoins analysis with BTC analysis and available event with CoinW. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.